Well, since I'm stuck in the house with nowhere to go due to the virus, this is what I'm preparing to do. Cook dinner. I seasoned this up this morning. I just let it sit in the fridge and marinate. And I am about to cook it. I'm gonna put it in this pan with this little bit of oil in there. There's some olive oil, and I'm going to lightly fry it. I think the oil should be nice and hot now. Just be careful when you put it in. It's not a lot of us, it's only three of us in the house, and possibly my daughter and her boyfriend. So I only need to make six of them. I'm gonna let it fry, lightly fry, and towards the end I will end up adding this back into it. I'm using, this is one of my favorite rice if I have to eat rice. This is the Madam Goose Jasmine rice. Extra long grain. So I'm gonna put it, I have some here in this rice cooker. I'm gonna wash it out, put it in there for easy cooking while this is still kind of getting nice and brown frying. This is a simple meal. I'm gonna make some spinach with this. Okay, as you can see, I drained out all the oil, get rid of all the grease out of there. And then you can just add the remaining sauce. The sauce that's in this pan, you just add it in here. You can even add some water so it can cook, because you want to bring it to a nice boil. Put it in the pan so you can get everything out of it. I'm going to make simple spinach. This is the whole leaf spinach. I think it's from Birdseye, frozen spinach. Spinach is good only to the ones that don't know how to make it. If you know how to make spinach, it's excellent. Many people that have eaten my spinach usually don't like spinach, never tried spinach, wouldn't eat spinach. And once they have it, they love it. But it's really simple. First, don't put too much water in there because it's already ice and frozen, so it will melt. Just put a little bit of water. This is all the water I have added to it. You have some black pepper, olive oil, and the chicken bouillons. That's all you need. I'm just gonna put two of these in there because they're so small. But put a little tablespoon olive oil. I don't measure stuff. I just kind of know how much to exactly put in. You know, I just kind of guess it. So there we go. That's all you need. That right there. Put some black pepper. Put two of these, and then you're gonna put it on the stove. Okay, as you can see, I have the black pepper in there, the chicken bouillon, the olive oil, and water. You can cover it and turn the flame. In the beginning, you could turn it on high until it starts cooking. Well, not so high, basically like a medium, because you want the frozen spinach to kind of melt. You want the ice to melt in there. You just can to a nice boil with the water, and this is how it creates its own gravy. I am going to add two Jamaican peppers, hot Jamaican peppers in there because my husband cannot do without his pepper. sprinkle the peppers and wash them. Put them in there. Close it back up. The finished product.